The first step is to open the Trimester Gradebook Formatter that you put on your desktop. Of course, you just double click on it, Excel will open, and because we know this is a safe document, we're going to click Enable Macros. The next step is to export our grades. So we already have the gradebook open. We'll go to the Export Grades button, the little Excel button in the upper right corner, and we'll click it. Next, we'll set the fields we want to export. These all appear on the handout, so you can just copy what's on the handout. But what we're going to do is get rid of a few of the checkboxes, and we'll add a few more. In this case, I'm going to do all the 4 possible options for every individual assignment. We'll include the assignment's name, and we'll also do the percent and grade for the grading period. You'll see that if I've done this correctly, the checkboxes will match the fields that are highlighted in the handout. Next, we'll simply click the Export button, and you'll see over here in the lower left corner that it will have exported the Excel document. Our next step is to click on this document to open it up. We'll probably need to minimize the gradebook, and we'll see our Excel document in the background. So we'll click on it to activate it, and to format the document, we'll hold down the Alt key, tap F8, and we'll type FW for Format Worksheet, and we'll click the Run button. We'll have the option to specify how many decimal digits we want to display. So we'll say yes, we would like to display 1 decimal digit. And now the document is formatted. And now let's take a look at some of the features of this document. At the top of the columns, we see the assignment names. And you'll notice that there are 4 items for each assignment, so there are 4 columns. So assignment 1 has 4 different items, assignment 2 has 4 different columns, etc. We also have 1 decimal digit, as we requested. You'll notice too that the calculated columns, like overall and the trimester averages, are bold. The scores are highlighted in red if the grade is less than 60%, or in yellow if the grade is between 60 and 70%. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll see statistics calculated for each of the numeric columns. We'll see the mean, the max, the min, and the median. We'll also notice that the document is set up so that we can scroll horizontally or vertically and still retain the labels at the top or the left. Another feature of this document is the ability to hide or show individual grades for a specified trimester. So for example, let's say we want to hide the grades for trimesters 1 and 2. We'll do Alt F8, and this time we're going to type 2, TWO, for trimester 2, and we'll click Run, and we will hide the individual grades for trimesters 1 and 2 so that we see just the overall grades and the calculated trimester 1 and 2 averages. If we want to get the individual grades back again, we will do Alt F8, we'll type 2 and Run, and we have the grades back again. When we're done, we simply close up Excel. It will ask us if we want to save the changes, which of course we do. We'll specify where we would like to save it. I'll just save this on the desktop. We'll give it a logical name. In this case, we'll just save it as class. And we'll be sure the type that we have saved is not comma separated values, CSV, but we'll change it to a normal Excel workbook. And we'll click Save, and we're done.